so excited today because I'm gonna do a makeup look and it's gonna be all using 3CE. You guys know that I really love 3CE. I always grab their lip tints and blushes, and you know that my everyday palette is the Overtake palette. So the fact that I am partnering with them on a video is like, honestly, it's so crazy. I remember last year I was thinking, wow, it'd be so cool if I got to work with stylenanda or 3CE since I just love them so much. And look, I am. Again, thank you to them and especially to you guys because, I mean, you're the only reason that people want to work with me. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So today I'm going to be using 3CE's new collection. It's perfect for spring. It's called 3CE Mood for Blossom, and it's kind of got like a pink, peachy, coral vibe to it. It has eyeshadow palette, blushes, nail polishes, lip tints, and they also sent me this little brush kit. It's like all opened and stuff because I just did my foundation and my brows and I used this angled brush. It has a little spoolie at the end. This is seriously my dream eyeshadow brush because I have a lot of angled brushes which I really like using for my brows, but I have to grab another brush for a spoolie so I can kind of smooth out the front, but this one has both, so it's perfect. But anyways, this is their little mini brush kit. There's 7 brushes in it. It has like a little zipper right here, and I think it's just really convenient. Like, I'm definitely gonna really like traveling with this. Usually when I travel, I just throw all my brushes into one makeup bag and everything gets really dirty. So this is really nice.
Pepper, are you ready to create this look with me?
Like I said, I already did my foundation and my brows, so I'm gonna do my eyes, and this is their Beach Muse palette, and it has a lot of pink, peachy, and matte and glitter shadows in it. It's set up just like the Overtake palette, which I really like because it just has enough colors that you can kind of create different looks with it, but it also has really nice kind of go-to everyday colors.
He is so close to you right now.
So the first color I'm gonna take is this one right here, and sorry, I'm just so like mesmerized by how pretty it looks. Like, cause the light is making all the glitters kind of sparkle. Anyways, I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm using this brush from the palette. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Wow, that's such a freaking pretty color. And then I'm gonna take this color right here. I kind of just used this one as like a little bit of a peachy coral base. And then I'm gonna put this on top because I really like to have a lot of glitter and stuff on my eyes. Okay, so I'm trying to show you guys, but since I have monolids, it's kind of hard for you to see all the color, but I focused the glittery pinkish color right here on top of my lid, and then I kind of used a brush to blend it upwards. Again, if you have monolids, what I like to do is blend right here where you push in, and then I just kind of blend it all out there, because whenever I do that, it doesn't look too heavy on my eyes, the eyeshadow. It kind of just shows me where it's like a guideline for where I should stop blending. So I want to add a little bit of more dimension to my eyes, so I'm going to take a darker color. I'm going to take this one right here. I'm just going to blend it out on the outer parts of my eye. I do want this look to be a little more on the light side, so I'm not going to go too much with it. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm very focused. This part is always the hardest for me because I don't want to make it look too much on my eye, and I want to blend it out nicely. Okay, so this is what it looks like all blended out. I think I did a pretty good job. I kept it pretty light still, but you can still see there's a little bit of there's like a little bit of a gradient, which I wanted, so from a little more pinky to a little bit more darker, if that makes sense. So for this part of my eye, I want to use a lot more glitter just so it makes my eyes look a little more bright. So I'm gonna take, so I think I'm gonna take this one first, and then I'm going to go in with this second. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm gonna take the pink-ish glitter color first. You know what this eyeshadow palette would be really great to use for? So I'm sure a lot of you guys have been listening to that new song by Ipsy, the Dala Dala song. And I really like Yeji, but there's this one makeup look where she's wearing kind of pinkish eyes. I think she's done it a few times because in photos I've seen her with it. She's had different outfits on. I don't know. Anyway, so I think that this palette would be really good for it because the colors in it are very similar to the one she's wearing on her eyes. And a lot of you guys were DMing me like telling me that to look at her or to look at her. That sounds really weird, but you know what I mean, because she has monolids, so it makes it would help make me feel, I guess, to remind me that our eyes are still really pretty. And I thought that was really nice of you guys because I think I've told you guys, like, I like to tell you guys that these eyes are pretty and I love them and blah blah blah, but I still do feel really insecure about them sometimes. Not like I hate my eyes, but more like I wish that they were either a little bigger or a little bit more longer, or I don't know. I keep trying to tweak my eyes some days. I'm like, oh, I wish they were like this, this, and this, but I shouldn't do that. And so a lot of you guys were sending me, telling me, oh my gosh, you should really look at Yeji. Like, she has such pretty eyes, just like yours. So you guys are so nice.
What did I ever do to deserve you?
Okay, and now I'm going to take this color like I said I would, and I'm going to put that kind of right here because I watched some videos and it says that it makes your eyes look more bright. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? I'm gonna pull you in closer. Do you see? It's like an iridescent pink glitter. What the heck? It's so pretty. Wow. Oh, sorry. Holy crap, it looks so pretty. I did not think it was gonna be this like pinky just looking at it, because this is the color and it looks so much more pink when you apply it on. Wow. I like it. Okay, so the eyes are done. I just put a little bit of mascara on and then I'm gonna do blush. So they have a lot of blushes, but they're all in like that pinky peach coral shade. I'm having a hard time choosing. There's this one called Pure Cake. This one's called Soft Salmon. I really like that one. There's Peach Splash. I think I like Soft Salmon more. I used to pronounce salmon, and sometimes I still do. I know that my friends corrected me in college, but I think my parents said salmon, which makes sense because it's spelt salmon. Anyways, I think I already showed you Pure Cake. There's Delectable. That's a really cute name, which is this one. I think that's a little too pink. And then there's Full of Charm. That's really pretty. I think this one, Full of Charm. Is that how you guys choose blushes? Sometimes when I have a lot, I'm always just like, Oh, that's really pretty. Ooh, that's so pretty. I think I put too much on, but why do I want to put on more? Okay, I gotta tone it down a little bit, but I want to bring it a little more to the apples of my cheeks. Can you guys believe it's already spring? That's crazy to me. What the heck? I feel like it was just Christmas and my birthday, and now it's like March. I feel like time's moving by so fast. I don't know why I keep putting more blush on. Okay, I'm gonna do my lips now, and this collection comes with lots of choices for lips. And just like the blushes, they all have like the same vibe, very in the peachy coral pink family. These are called the Slim Velvet Lip Colors, and there is, ooh, this one's really pretty. This one's called Muse Filter. It's kind of like this pink color and looks like this. Also, I'm gonna insert a clip of the the swatches that are on my arm that you've probably already seen, and I'll put like the names next to them. But I think I like Muse Filter the most, so I'm gonna use this one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, that's really, really strong. I did not have to press so hard. This is my tried and true way of putting on lip colors. Pat, pat, pat. Wow, this is so pretty. I know I keep using the word pretty for everything, but I really, really love like the concept of this collection. It's so pretty. So this is what Muse Filter looks like. I think I made a good choice in picking the color because I think it definitely goes with the eyes and the blush. So they also have nail lacquers or polishes. They're called 3CE Nail Lacquer Jelly. Yes, and there are 3 colors and they look like this. And I didn't want to put one on until after I was done because I wanted to match my nails to like the face. So it's supposed to be a liquid gel type nail polish and you don't have to use a top coat. So I think I'm gonna go with this one because it looks more corally. This one is CR01 and this one's called Living Coral. That's the one I'm gonna use, but the other ones are PK24 Blossom Pink. That's a nice name. And then this one is PE06 and this one's Warm Peach. Actually, I kind of want to do this one. Wait. No. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do the coral one. Okay, I put this little pink thing down so I don't have to get anything on my furniture. Whew, okay, let's see if I can do this. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's only one coat. I love how shiny it is. So usually with nail polishes like this, I feel like you have to put one layer on, let it dry, and then put another layer on. But I'm no nail expert, so, but this is just my experience with putting on nail polish. Okay, this is what they look like. This is much better. This is a much better representation of what my nails look like. Okay, I'm gonna do my hair. How long is this video? I wanted to incorporate hair so that I made sure the video was a little bit longer, but now I feel like the video is too long and I should have did my hair before this. Okay, I'm actually gonna do my hair and I'll be right back because I feel like it's just gonna take too long. I don't want you guys to have to sit through and watch me do my hair for like 30 minutes, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with my hair. So I took all that time kind of making it curly slash wavy because I like when I put it in a bun, I like for my bun to look a little more voluminous and it's easier to manage when I make it a little bit curly. But anyways, that's it. This is the spring peachy coral makeup look. I think it turned out quite nicely. I kind of just winged it. I hope it was kind of helpful to kind of see what the products looked like in action. Sometimes I think it's really helpful to kind of see how they work before I buy anything, and I know a lot of you guys really like 3CE, so I hope it was a little bit helpful. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to 3CE for partnering with me, and to you guys for always watching. Seriously, like, dream come true. Thank you so much. All right, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.